is that?
I love milk.
Oh my god.
Bhaji and milk.
Hmm.
It will make us strength.
Hmm. Hmm. Now-
Hey, Chichi.
One more. What is that?
Ginger paste.
Oh my god. That is ginger paste.
Yeah.
That is ginger paste. Next. Which item? Coriander leaf.
This is coriander leaf. I'm sorry. Coriander leaf.
Okay.
If we make in biryani, it will so yummy.
Next.
I know lady finger.
Next. What is that? Lucky, what is that?
Bitter gourd.
Oh, that is bitter gourd.
This is bitter gourd. I love it.
Okay. And up, what is that? What you put?
Here we will put ice cream, chocolate,
Butterscotch, like corn ice cream.
we can put. It will be frozen. Will be from 5 minutes.
And we put and we put some with water. It will come with 6 minutes from sun.
But no ice cream now, right?
Yeah. If we buy
Just
explain now. But if we buy ice cream, we will put here and eat morning.
Oh.
when you go to school, Daddy will buy her chocolate cone ice cream. He will buy from me a butterscotch cone ice cream.
Which ice cream you like it? Wait. Which ice cream you like it, Lucky?
Butterscotch cone.
Oh my god. You, sweetie?
Strawberry ice cream and chocolate.
Oh.
Inka
Lucky, you explain this part also. I don't know.
This says the pop is, but it's empty. It has my mom put the biryani from here. I like it. If you make biryani first, you should copy and made it.
Oh.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Now next. What is that?
This one.
What your mom is put? Slow.
Leaves.
Oh my god.
And this one
Mm.
is tomato.
Tomato. Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato. Next. Slow. Okay, right now. Leave it. Now.
I love leaves again.
Again leaves. You love leaves?
Yes.
Chili pepper.
Yuck! It's so spicy. I don't want it. Yummy leaves again.
Which leaves? That one? Curry leaf.
Curry leaves.
Okay. Next.
This is TV.
Drumsticks.
Drumsticks.
Sweetie, what you tell? Tell me.
And this is a lemon.
You eat lemon?
Yes. But
Yes.
it's so sour.
Oh.
I don't want it.
Wait, Lucky. I'll show you. My mom put it in the fridge. Nail polish.
How many colors, sweetie?
One.
Wait.
Gold,
Mm.
red, and gold again,
Mm.
and pink. How
Oh.
many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Until 4 families.
Okay.
Four
Now,
families.
what is that, Lucky?
This is a red chili power.
Red chili power.
I like it.
Okay.
If it is spicy, I can become a bottle god.
Show
I
me.
like it.
You like it? Next.
Leaves. I like it. Leaves.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay. Now next.
A potato.
Potato.
If you make a potato curry, it will be tasty.
Hmm.
Bitter gourd.
Next. Oh, that is so heavy.
Look,
What is that?
cabbage.
You eat cabbage?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, you keep it. You go outside. You go outside.
What's this?
What is that? Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Yes.
All done.
All done.
Yes.
Our fridge items are done.
I can go. We can go outside and play our friend.
Who is your friend?
Kaushik.
You know, her name is Kaushik. Okay, both are going to outside Kaushik. You also going? Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Please subscribe and share.
Share.